All right, let's give this a go. Hello, this is Ralph from Ralph's homebiz.com, and in this video, I want to talk about unlocking the secrets of passive income. I'm going to take my glasses off because the glare out there is a little bit too much, and I think I can see well enough without them now. But when it comes to passive income, there are a lot of people that think that we're talking about doing the impossible. Some people hear the words passive income and they think, well, money for nothing. How is that possible? Well, when you're talking about passive income, and I mean legitimate passive income, it's not just money for nothing. What it is a form of leverage where you learn how to leverage the work that you've done already in the past or are doing right now, and learn how to leverage that work so that you get paid not just one day, but day after day, month after month, for long into the future. And there are different ways that you can begin to earn passive income. I'm going to list a few that I know of, and this list is by no means inclusive. And I'm going to start off with the most difficult and save the best for last. So, one way that you can begin to earn passive income is to do a dream that my sister-in-law used to have a long time ago, back in the 1980s, where she was saying, if only I had $1 million, I would put that money in the bank and live off the interest. And that is one legitimate way that you could earn passive income. Take a large amount of money, put it in the bank, and begin to earn interest. Now, what's the problem with that approach? Well, the obvious problem is there never seems to be $1 million around when you really need it. Just for fun, I've got these little gold-plated notes. Got this one that says $1 million right on it. I got $1 million here. Can't really put it in the bank. Can't really earn interest off of it. But if you do have a large sum of money that you can store away in a safe, secure bank for a certain period of time, and you have the option to renew, then yeah, you can potentially live off the interest. Interest rates are nowhere near where they used to be today, back in the 1980s, but you can still make a go of it. But of course, the problem with that is, where do you come up with the money? You have to do a lot of work to raise that kind of money and then put it in the bank, find yourself a good, safe, secure bank, or maybe a few different banks in case bank failure. That's a real thing that we worry about these days, and that could happen. But once you get all that done, that's one form of passive income that people can enjoy. Now, of course, that's beyond the reach for most people. Now, something that is still beyond the reach for most people, but a little more attainable, is the idea of buying property and renting that property out. And there are gurus out there that claim they will teach you, and I believe some really do, teach you how to buy rental property for no money of your own out of pocket. And then you fix it up, and then you rent it out, and you start earning money off of that investment. And that is one way that you can go. Now, I really am not that big into real estate myself. That's not my thing. But other people like Robert Kiyosaki, a guy that I follow and look up to, this is how he's made a lot of his passive income, is that he's takes a lot of money that he borrows from other people, and then he'll use it to buy rental units, fix up those rental units, or hire somebody to fix up those rental units for him, and then he'll rent those apartments out and be able to live off of that passive income for a time. And owning rental property, being the landlord and not the rentor, that is a perfect example of passive income because you leverage the work that you do in buying the property, getting the property in your name, getting that property in rentable condition, and then leveraging that work into an income that can be paid to you month after month after month. Growing up in the 1970s, I had a next door neighbor who worked at a automobile manufacturing plant, and he had a lot of extra money. And so what he did is that he invested a lot of his money into rental units. He would buy duplexes, which is, if you've never heard of duplex before, that's a big house split right down the middle to create two different rental units. And he would buy these duplexes and then rent them out. He'd get them fixed up and then rent them out. And he had 3 duplexes, which breaks down into 6 different rental properties. And he had these properties filled for most of the time. Now, it took a lot of work on his part to get them fixed up, make them rentable, and then find the people who would come in and rent the property without destroying it, and be able to come up with the security deposit, first and last month's rent, things like that. Have references to make sure you're not renting out to people who are going to destroy your house before they move out. But once you get all that work done, he was able to enjoy monthly income coming in for the work that he had done in the past. And he was sitting pretty good there for a long time. He had a really nice job with the Ford automobile plant that he worked at. He had 6 different rental properties that were, paying him monthly income. And I think he had a few other side businesses as well that he worked. So at one point in time, he was doing pretty well. But I mean, think about what rents are today. Now, 1970s, the rents back then were like a couple $100, probably $300. Today, those units could be renting out for about $1,000 for half of a duplex. And that was the kind of monthly income he was enjoying. 6 different units, $6,000 coming in would be today's equivalent of that every month. So that is another legitimate way that you can be earning passive income over time. Now, there is an easier way, and this is the way that I am pursuing for earning passive income and doing it online and without having to go thousands or hundreds of $1,000s into debt, without having to pay $1 million out of pocket to get $1 million to put into the bank. This is a way that you can start generating passive income without having to spend a whole lot of money up front. Sometimes you can find affiliate marketing opportunities that you can get started with very cheaply, sometimes even free, but the free offers don't really give you the same quality of training that newcomers need to get going big time in affiliate marketing, but they are out there. And the secret to this is that you need to find affiliate marketing offers that you can sign up for, that you can be qualified for, that you can sell, and offers that pay what we call recurring commissions. And the beauty of recurring commissions is that these are commissions that are paid to you not just once, where you make one sale, you get paid one commission, and then it's all over. Then you have to go out there and make more sales to keep more money coming in. No, a recurring commission is where you make a sale, you get paid that first month selling like a membership or a subscription. And then every month that your customer continues to buy that membership, that subscription, whatever the offer may be, you continue to earn commissions month after month after month for as long as your customer remains a paying customer of that program, whatever it is. And so once you learn how to find offers that pay recurring commissions, and once you learn how to make a few sales and build up a team of happy, satisfied customers that love the program, the subscription, whatever it is, and will stay with it long term, then yeah, you can be leveraging the work that you're doing right now in the present and be building up an income stream that could be paying you for months, even years into the future. And this is the method that I am using to build up my own passive income streams. And what I'm using is a affiliate marketing school called the Home Business Academy. And I love this offer for two main reasons. The first is actually more than just two, but I'll stick with two. The first is that it pays 80% recurring commissions. So yeah, I buy into the level that I want to sell. I go ahead and I make a sale. I earn 80% commissions, and I get paid month after month after month for as long as my customer remains a member of the Home Business Academy. And they got three different levels: a $10 level, a $25 level, and a $125 level. The $125 level pays $100 recurring commissions. Make two sales, you're in profit. The $25 level pays $20 recurring commissions. Again, make two sales, you're already in profit. And the $10 level pays $8 recurring commissions. Two sales, guess what? You're already in profit. And these commissions are paid residually month after month after month. They are recurring commissions. So yeah, once you build up a team of customers to where you want your income to be, like say 200, maybe you're in at all three levels, 250, that would be a pretty good income to have coming in month after month after month. So it's a lot of work in the beginning, learning how to do it, learning the offer, building up your team of customers. But everything in life is a little bit of work, isn't it? And the beauty of this is that once you do that work, you are leveraged to be earning money off of that work for months, maybe even years to come. Now, of course, there are people that will join offers like this and they'll look at it. They may stay a week, they may stay 30 days, and then they'll drop out. And that's to be expected. But there are a lot of other people that will see the value in a program like that, especially if they want to learn how to make money online, how to make money from home, how to build an online business, and how to do affiliate marketing in a more professional manner. And then they're going to be seeing the value in a program like that, and they're going to stick with it. I've been with this program. How long has my sponsor been making money off of me? A little over a year. So there are people out there that will see the value in a program like this and pay month after month after month to be a part of it, to learn and grow with it. So if that's something that you think you might be interested in, you can go to my main website. Link will be in the program description below, but my affiliate link is www.ralphshomebiz.com. And I'm actively promoting this offer up because they've got insane value in this program. They've got a quality of training in it that I have never seen before online. And I've been doing online marketing since 2011, shall we say, a little bit 2008. So I've been in this area for a while, and I have not seen the quality that I see in the Home Business Academy anywhere else. So if you want to take a look at it, get a chance to earn 80% recurring commissions, as well as an opportunity to learn how to do affiliate marketing right and well and grow with it month after month, year after year, then check this out. It's been in business now for a little over 7 years and a few months. So definitely a long-term program, not a fly-by-night, something that I would highly recommend if you want to earn a passive income through online marketing. If you'd rather go the $1 million route, scrounge up $1 million, put it in the bank, and live off the interest, you can do that. Some people may already be, I know a few people are already doing that. Maybe a few people watching this video are already doing that, in which case, wish you well. But for a lot of us that don't have $1 million to just throw around, affiliate marketing, promoting offers that pay recurring commissions, is one easier way to start building up a passive stream of income. So, passive income, it's not a scam. There are some scams out there that claim they'll be paying you passive income. There are some fly-by-nights out there that claim they will be paying you passive income month after month, year after year, providing you and your family with generational wealth. And then they usually scam out after a year, 2 years, 3 years, shut down. Home Business Academy is different. And there are other opportunities out there too that are legit, that will pay recurring commissions. Do your research, take your time, check it out, find something that's right for you. But yeah, we don't have to be working every day of our life for the rest of our lives in order to keep money coming in. There is a way to be paid passively, recurringly, for leveraging the work that you've done in the past. And if that appeals to you, then I strongly encourage you, do some more research, check this out, because I've just scratched the surface as far as unlocking a few of the secrets of passive income. This is Ralph signing out. We'll catch you in future updates. Have a great day and see you later. Bye-bye.